Once upon a time, in a bustling city known for its love of sports, there lived a young athlete named Alex. From a very young age, Alex had a deep passion for sports and dreamt of becoming a professional athlete one day. However, there was one significant challenge that set Alex apart from most other aspiring athletes. Alex was born with a physical disability that affected the use of their legs. Despite this obstacle, Alex was determined to pursue their dreams. They believed that their disability did not define them, but rather, it fueled their determination to prove that anything was possible with perseverance and adaptability. Inspired by this mindset, Alex discovered the world of adaptive sports. Adaptive sports were designed specifically for individuals with disabilities, allowing them to participate and compete in various athletic activities. With excitement and enthusiasm, Alex embarked on a journey to become an adaptive athlete, challenging stereotypes and inspiring inclusivity along the way. In the beginning, Alex faced numerous challenges. The training sessions were intense, and there were moments when self-doubt would creep into their mind. However, with every setback, Alex found the strength to push forward. They knew that the path they had chosen was not an easy one, but they were determined to overcome any obstacle that stood in their way. One day, a major adaptive sports competition was announced in their city. The event showcased athletes from all over the world, each with their own unique physical disabilities. This was the perfect opportunity for Alex to test their skills and compete against the best. As the day of the competition arrived, the atmosphere was electrifying. Athletes with prosthetic legs sprinted across the track, wheelchair basketball players displayed incredible teamwork, and visually impaired athletes demonstrated exceptional focus and determination. Alex's event was the wheelchair racing competition. With adrenaline pumping through their veins, they positioned themselves at the starting line alongside other talented racers. The sound of the whistle pierced the air, and they propelled their wheelchair forward with all their might. With every push, Alex could feel their determination fueling their strength. They glided across the track, their eyes fixed on the finish line. The crowd cheered with thunderous applause, not only for the athleticism on display but also for the spirit of inclusivity and resilience demonstrated by all the athletes. In a thrilling race to the finish, Alex crossed the line, victorious. Their dream had become a reality, and they had shattered the limitations imposed by their disability. The crowd erupted in applause, and tears of joy streamed down Alex's face. From that day forward, Alex became an inspiration to many. Their story spread far and wide, breaking down stereotypes and proving that disability is not a barrier to success. They embarked on a mission to promote inclusivity in sports, encouraging others with disabilities to pursue their dreams and embrace the power of adaptability. Alex's journey as an adaptive athlete taught the world an important lesson. It reminded everyone that our limitations are only as powerful as the strength we give them. With determination, resilience, and a willingness to adapt, we can overcome any challenge that life throws our way. And so, the story of the adaptive athlete, Alex, became a symbol of hope, motivation, and the triumph of the human spirit. Their legacy continues to inspire generations to embrace their own unique abilities, challenge societal norms, and pave the way for a more inclusive and accepting world.